Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I get to share with you the products I have been using recently from City Beauty. They have partnered with me and sent me a few products to try out, which I have absolutely been loving. They are now staples in my daytime makeup routine. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what products I've been using from City Beauty and how I have been using them, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I just got back to my room from work. It is 5:42 p.m. here, and I wanted to do this video a little bit later in the day after I've been wearing my makeup. I put my makeup on around 6 a.m. before I went into the office. And the reason for that is because I had been looking at this beauty skincare brand that I wanted to try out, because if you've been on my channel before and you've heard me talk about, I'm 40 years old, I have wrinkles and crinkles that I wish I didn't have. I have things that I like to target to kind of minimize and help get rid of over time. And there's different things that I can do. I also have to switch up my skincare routine. What I use at night isn't always what I use during the day, but my skin likes when I rotate certain things into my routine. And I have found that with the products that I received from City Beauty. I had been looking at their website, but before I could place my order, they reached out to me and asked if they could send me some items. So they let me pick out some things. We're going to discuss all the things that I use today. The reason I didn't do the video and then immediately discuss the products, I wanted to show you how my makeup looked. I haven't touched it up. The only thing that I've added is lip gloss, because lip gloss doesn't stay all day. But I wanted to show you how I put this makeup on at 6 a.m. I wore it all day, and this is what my skin looks like right now. No touch-ups, no add-ons. I haven't changed anything from what I did earlier except the lip gloss. And I just want to show you, like, maybe if you have the same issues that I have, or you're looking for a brand that caters to a specific concern, because I'm going to tell you, the 4 products that I have that they sent me, they have an extensive line. There are so many different products that target certain areas or different things that you want to focus on, and trying to pick out the items that I wanted to try first, because I will be placing an order to order other items, because I have seen such great results with these items. I did put in little clips so that you can see how I use the products before I applied my makeup. And the great thing is, for all these products, they are all good for all skin types. It's not if you're good with oily skin or combination. Literally every single one of them is meant for all skin concerns. And I love that, because I hate trying to find products that work for my oily or combination. So for me, I focus a lot on my pores, or right here, my T-zone, I get oily, and then of course my lines. I don't necessarily love my under eye crinkles, but the products that I've been using have helped smooth those out. And also with my crease area, it's one of those things, especially because I love using my eyes as my focus when it comes to eyeshadow. And as I've gotten older, I've noticed that my eyes kind of sag in this area, but the products that I've been using have been helping kind of open my eyes and not sag as much. And I'm seeing them tighten up over time. I also want to thank City Beauty for providing me with a discount code for you guys. If you make a purchase on their site, you get 15% off using code Lorraine. It will also be listed in the drop-down box for you guys to go and check out, along with links to their products that I discuss and their website. So definitely go check that out. I could keep talking and just dragging it on, but let's dive into the products that were sent to me. And I have been using them for about 2.5 weeks before I wanted to do the video, because I wanted you guys to see the results that I have been seeing. I love the fact that my makeup still looks absolutely flawless. Like, my oils aren't pressing through. My skin looks great. It's still smooth. Even like my lines that I have up here, what lines? They're not there. Like, I don't see them. And I've been laughing and joking and talking at work all day. So I wanted to show that to you guys. All right, one of the first things that I do in my routine, this is the City Beauty Uplift Firming Serum. Love the bottle, love the aesthetic. It's got a soft velvet feel to it. The bottle itself has the little dropper. I love the blue and gold. It's It's so aesthetically pleasing. This would be beautiful on my bathroom counter. You guys, I get to go home soon, so these will be on my beauty table in my room, ready for use each morning. But you just have the little dropper. It makes it easy for application. So easy to use. And then it's not super heavy. That's one of the things that I love about the serum. It doesn't feel too heavy. It doesn't make my skin feel greasy or oily. The serum just soaks into my skin. I see it like it looks nice and smooth, and it just takes away my imperfections. So for the ingredients in the Uplift Firming Serum, it has marine-derived bacillus ferment, Laminaria saccharinea, and goji fruit extract. I'm not sure I pronounced that right. I tried. I was like, I'm gonna mess this up. So with the serum, the marine-derived ingredients target the look of wrinkles and sagging skin in as little as 30 minutes. So the one thing that you need to remember when you're applying your serums is don't immediately try and put something else on. Let your skin soak it in before you go ahead and put on anything else. I layered my makeup on after everything did what it was supposed to do and waited the time to let it soak in, do its job. So for some of the ingredients, because I don't necessarily know how to pronounce all of them, I will list them on the screen so you can see what they are. They're marine-derived ingredients as well as hyaluronic acid to help with sagging and plumping of the skin, hydration. As I've gotten older, I use more hyaluronic acid to increase the hydration in my skin. Even though I'm oily, hyaluronic acid is going to help hydrate without creating extra oils and causing my makeup to slip. I love that. If I knew that when I was younger, I wouldn't have had so many skin concerns as I did. But as I've gotten older, I've definitely focused on the ingredients in my skincare, and it is very much needed. So definitely take that opportunity to look at the ingredients before you go and purchase them or apply them. I will tell you that the ingredients in these products are superb. I absolutely love how my skin has reacted to these products. This product is probably one of my favorites, and I have noticed a huge difference when it comes to applying my eyeshadows. This is the lid lifting treatment. I absolutely love this. It's kind of has a thicker consistency, and I tap it on and I dab it around on my eyelid. This helps with tightening, firming, and smoothing. And I've noticed with my crease right here that it actually has lifted up. It's not as droopy as it had been before I was using this product, and I appreciate that so much. Like I said, I love using my eyes as my focus when it comes to my makeup, and as I've gotten older and watching my eyelids kind of droop down a little bit, I like finding products like this that help and make them look brighter and wider and tighter. So I've noticed that just right through here, I don't have as much of a crinkle as I normally do, where it kind of like droops down more. I don't have that, and I appreciate that because then I see more of my eyeshadows. I see more of the shimmers. I don't feel like the crease of my eyelid is closer to my eyeliner than it should be, and I appreciate that. It also has some great ingredients in it. There's hawthorn and Arabian jasmine extracts, quinoa seed extract, and blurring microspheres. I will tell you that it also layers beautifully. So today I used this right before I used my eyeshadow base. No issues, doesn't cause skipping, no peeling up. I hate when I use a product and all of a sudden I'm noticing that it's not quite staying on my skin how I would like. This just smooths out all the imperfections, and I really truly appreciate that when it comes to my makeup application. I don't want to waste the time it takes to do my makeup for it to not look good. You guys will have to be the judges and let me know. Like, I think my makeup still looks flawless, and I appreciate that. They also sent me the Line Blurring Wrinkle Filler. This has been an absolute dream. So I've talked about it. I've got these lines right up here. I have my little crinkles underneath the eye. Right through here, I can have a little bit more defined of a line. And then my chin, that one's a little bit more difficult because of how my lips are and just, it's not going away. But the other areas, especially right through here, underneath the eye, and then my lines up here, I don't really have too much crow's feet or anything yet, but but I can use this as an evasive product. I can use it to kind of deter that from happening if I know that that's going to be something that I'm focusing on later on down the road. And when I apply this, I will put it straight on the areas where I want it to affect, and then I just dab it in with my finger and tap it into place. That way I know that it's going to be pressed into the skin. I'm not tugging or pulling, because that's definitely something. If you don't have enough product and you go to do an application, you could tug on the skin, which could cause more deficiencies, could cause more issues to your skin. Whereas if you tap it in, it's going to absorb more of the product over time. So this one, I used this today right through here underneath and the lines right here. And it lasted so well on my skin. Now, when I did this, I put this on before I did my makeup primer. That way it had already had time to set in. So I did lid recovery, let that set. Then I did my lines, this one. And while this was setting in before I used my eyeshadow base, this had time to apply in, absorb, and then when I went to go do my makeup primer, this had already had the amount of time it needed to set into the skin and do what it needed to do. If you don't wait the appropriate amount of time, you may not be letting the product do what it's supposed to do. So just make sure that you're following the instructions on what is recommended, because at a minimum, that is the amount of time that you should allow it to just soak in and absorb. The line blurring wrinkle filler, this has peptide and ceramide blend, diamond powder, and skin lifting bio blend. This is a unique compound designed to improve the appearance of skin tone for a firmer, more youthful looking complexion. I will take anything I can get. I absolutely love these 3 products. They have been a lifesaver and I love them. I will continuously pick these up. I guarantee it. The last item they sent to me, and my lashes look phenomenal right now. This is the Beyond Mascara, the Voluminizing Treatment. It's not just a mascara. It has nutrients in it to help your lashes, which I absolutely love. I love when a product does multiple things. So this helps volumize, but I also see the lengthening. I naturally have longer lashes and fuller lashes, but I love that this pulls the lashes apart. It helps them be a little bit more defined. I do see the volume right here towards the centers of my lashes. But then the other thing that I like about this is the nutrients and ingredients that it has in it to help increase your lash volume. So this has linden bud extract, which promotes thicker looking lashes by supporting structure and producing a volumizing effect. It's got biotin, which supports healthy voluminous lashes, and keratin, which coats lashes in a protective barrier to help shield them from damage for strong lashes that are less prone to breakage, which I absolutely love. It doesn't matter if you have tons of lashes or just little amounts of lashes, having healthy ingredients in your mascara to help produce growth, volume, longevity, that is very important when it comes to your eyelash health. There's so many people out there that would love to have long, voluminous lashes. If you have a mascara that helps with that and produces growth and protection, I highly encourage and recommend. You guys, I cannot say it enough. I am very, very grateful for City Beauty sending these products to me, partnering with me to let me try them out, see exactly what I like about them, getting to see the effect of my skin over time. It wasn't, we need to try this out and give a result. I wanted to show you exactly what my skin looks like after I get home, after a full day of work and just actual normal wear, because that's important. You want your skincare to last. You want your makeup to stay put if that's something that you put your time and effort into. But I also like that when I'm not wearing makeup, my skin still looks healthy and younger. But those products are in place to help you with that. I want to know, have you tried out City Beauty? Have you heard of them before? And if you have or have used them, what are your favorite products? What products would you recommend to me to pick up next? Because I really do want to add to my skincare routine from City Beauty and see what other target areas I should focus on. Let me know your thoughts, put it in the comments. You guys, I am so excited that I got to try these out, share them with you, and continue to use them because they are definitely a staple in my daytime routine in preparation for putting my makeup on. But you guys, let me know your thoughts, put it in the comments, let's have the conversation. And that is it for this video. I really do want to thank City Beauty for partnering with me on this video and letting me try out their products because I am absolutely in love. You guys, before you leave, leave. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.